This 30-something woman has become South India's greatest storyteller. She teaches her audiences the world over that there is beauty and sanctity to antiquity. She is Vishakha Hari. Vishakha Hari always reminds us to learn lessons from the lives of our gods, demons, heroes, poets, saints and composers. I'd like to talk to Vishakha Hari about her choice of attire for her Harikatha presentation. She is almost always attired in a 9-yard sari. That's not true. She's not almost always. She is always attired in beautiful Kanjivaram sari and a simple rubia blouse. She wears a jimki and a simple bindi, and she has flowers in her hair, and she most often braids her hair. The choice of attire is simple, traditional, some would call it antiquated. I'd like to find out why she has not downsized from the 9-yard to the 6-yard in this day and age. We have Vishakha Hari, who is this prodigious Harikatha virtuoso, and judging by the crowds this evening, I cannot even imagine the magnetism, the pull that somebody has over the young and the old. That is what amazes me about her presentation today. So if you can tell us what the message is for the young in the Harikatha, the stories that you weave. What can the young learn about the values from the gods and the heroes and the demons? How do we apply them in our lives?
Very nice question. Basically, there is so much to know from the Indian literature and Indian art. It's so vast. I was just telling that even one lifetime is not enough to master even one saint's compositions. So vast is the culture of India that we need not at all look up to the West and imbibe their ideas. It is they who should borrow from us. Because we have so much, whether it's Telugu literature or Kannada literature or Marathi literature, it's so much full for 7 lifetimes that we need not look here and there for anything else at all. So for the younger generation, the message will be there is everything with us. There is everything within us too. So I think the best thing that right now we ought to do is look up to ourselves and to our Indian culture and bring our Indian culture forward and forward. That's what Vivekananda wanted. He said, he looked at the Americans and addressed them. He said, you may be really very advanced in your materialism, but we are very advanced in spiritualism, so it is you who should
learn from us.
You can live a life without materialism, but you cannot live a life, peaceful life without spiritualism.
So, have you actually seen a shift in your audience over the years? More children coming
yes, actually,
yes.
The audience is a very composite audience. You can find many youngsters and children because there is story interests children, music interests the elder people, the older generation. Since the Harikatha is such a beautiful art that it weaves story and music together, it has the pull over the young and the old, and it has a message, it has substance for everybody. For everybody, if somebody is interested in learning Tyagaraja Swami's songs or hearing Purandaras Kirtanas or hearing Abhangs or bhajans, there is everything in a Harikatha. And if a child wants to listen only to the story content, there is the story content also. There are all the Navarasas. There is heroism, there is karunyam, compassion, so every kind of rasa. So Harikatha is such a beautiful art.
And lastly, very last question, in your attire itself, you said that it comes down in the tradition. So can you just say a word about that?
This is our family tradition, so this is not a Harikatha costume or a choice made by me personally, because this is our family tradition, and I used to wear this even before I started performing Harikathas. So it's not a Harikatha costume. Even if I'm going to sing a vocal concert, I'm in this attire. From morning to night, I'm in this attire. So it's not a 3-hour stage.
So it's very organic to your life.
Yeah, it's natural. It's natural.
I see.
I always wear this.
I see. So you wear 9 yards all the time.
All the
comfortable.
time. Yes, I feel comfortable.
Thank you very much. We just love talking to you.
எடுக்க வேண்டாம் சும்மா ஸ்டார்ட்
Ni